Hello, and welcome to English Mitra. This is a calm English lesson for daily life. In this episode, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine using simple, natural English. You will hear short conversations, and then I will explain the meaning slowly. There is no need to hurry. Just listen and learn. Let's begin. What do you usually do in the morning?
I usually wake up around 7. I stretch a little, then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Let's pause here. Usually means something you do again and again. For example, I usually wake up at 7. You can change the time and use this sentence for yourself. Now, let's continue. Do you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I have a light breakfast, like toast or oatmeal. It helps me feel active during the day.
What happens after breakfast?
After breakfast, I check my schedule and plan my day. Then I start my work or my classes.
Do you take breaks during work or study?
Yes, I do. I take short breaks. I stretch a little or drink some water.
How are your afternoons?
My afternoons are usually busy. After lunch, I work on important tasks.
What do you usually eat in the afternoon?
I eat something light, like a sandwich or a salad. Heavy food makes me feel tired.
Let's pause here. When someone says something light, they mean food that is easy to eat and easy to digest. For example, I eat something light for lunch. Now, let's talk about the evening. What do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I slow down. I have dinner, and then I relax.
Let's pause here. When someone says, I slow down in the evening, we often use a natural English phrase, wind down, to relax slowly before sleeping. For example, I wind down by reading. This phrase is very natural in English. How do you relax in the evening?
I go for a short walk or read a book. I try to avoid my phone before bed.
Now, let's practice together. You can pause the video if you like. Say this out loud. I usually wake up at... Good. Now say, in the evening, I like to... Very good. That's the end of today's lesson. Daily routines help us stay organized, and they help us practice English naturally. If you enjoyed this calm lesson, you can follow English Mitra for more simple English. See you in the next episode.